You, my friend, will be a new earth celebrity and things are going to shift in your life. I asked God to only show this video to what I call new earth celebrities, which is this new form of celebrities that will appear as we're heading towards the new earth or the golden age. We're in times of ascension and we can kind of see that now in real life, how chaotic earth is now in this transition where the old structures, the old matrix has to crumble down. As you can see in the media, people are really losing respect for the elite, for celebrities. People want guidance from real, authentic people. So if you felt called to click on this video, no matter if you're subscribed to me or have never seen my face, know that you are one of them. Now, what does this mean and what is this shift that will happen in your life? That's what I will talk about today. The first thing that you need to know as a new earth celebrity is that your soul needs to lead the spotlight. Being seen amplifies who is in charge. So you have your soul, you have your ego. If your ego is leading, then visibility creates anxiety, comparison, and pressure. While if your soul is leading, then visibility becomes service. So this is what will differentiate the new earth celebrities versus the celebrities we have now that you see in the press, on social media with millions and millions of followers. So right before visibility expands, life often invites you to slow down rather than to speed up, because clarity comes from listening and not from pushing. So God is calling you to step more into your soul so you can fully step in to this new earth celebrity status. So I challenge you for the next 30 days to meditate for at least 10 minutes per day. I have found that it has been the most powerful way for me to step more into my soul and less into my ego. The ego has its place. It's actually a really good servant, but it's a terrible master. And when you meditate, you raise your vibrations as well. So what you're sharing online or what you're sharing on stage or in your books, whatever it is, it will change and become more powerful, and people can see that. Claim it in the comments. My soul leads. The second thing that you need to know as a new earth celebrity is that it's all about identity and not attention. And this is where people get confused. They think celebrity means loads of followers, but it actually means embodiment. It means you live in a way that quietly influences rooms without trying. In this new earth, people don't want perfection. They want real. And what do I mean with real? It's that you say what you believe. You sell what you've lived. You teach what you've integrated. And this has been a long journey for me because I have always been a people pleaser. So I've been very focused on the other person, whether it's a partner, a friend, even a stranger. Like, what do they like? Well, how will they think about what I have to say? And it was the same when I started with content. I tried to be liked by everybody. And then I realized that just dilutes my message and it's just become this bland content that nobody wants to watch. So you actually want a little bit of controversy. You need to stop shape-shifting to be liked, right? I was such a chameleon. Stop filtering yourself to avoid discomfort. Now that doesn't mean that you have to talk about politics. Many people are getting cancelled nowadays because they're not talking about politics, which I think is ridiculous. Not every niche requires you talking about politics and like which side you're on. I think that's just the elite's agenda to keep the chaos, that you have two sides fighting against each other. So instead of politics, what I mean with controversy is talk about your opinion in your niche. For example, I have shared that I'm not a big fan of tarot cards or psychedelics. I've tried both, but it's not my vibe. Now that is a controversial opinion in the spiritual field, and I respect people who do those things. I have gained a lot of positive things from doing those things. I have nothing against it. But you voice your opinion and then you say why. Not in a confrontational manner, but in a respectful one. Now you stand for something. People know who you are, your values. And this will attract your tribe faster. For example, when I tried to make friends back in the days in my early 20s, I was really struggling and I was attracting people who I didn't want to become friends with because they didn't know who I was. I would just adapt myself to each person. So everybody I met thought that I was this amazing friend, but I got so drained because I attracted people who I didn't even want to be friends with. So reflect with the following questions. You can bring out the notepad or your laptop. Where do I still dilute myself to feel accepted? Where do I soften my opinions to avoid being disliked? Where do I act smaller than I feel inside? So write a little paragraph about what came up when you heard these 3 questions. And feel free to share that aha moment in the comments as well to inspire each other. And when you've done this exercise, choose one micro moment this week to show up 5% more fully. For example, share a stronger opinion. Maybe speak on camera with less scripting. Instead, maybe just bullet points. Stop over editing your videos. And don't worry what people will think about your content. Most people are too busy worrying about their own life. Another way that this can show up if you're a content creator is that you try to talk about everything because you want to please everybody and you're not picking a niche. And if you feel like that's overwhelming, you don't know where to start, then book a free business clarity call with us, link in the description. The third thing that you need to know is that influence requires structure. If there's no structure in what you're doing, you will burn out, you will get exhausted because you will just be chasing the next thing and then the next thing. I've done this where I created loads of products. I was like, oh, people are doing masterminds, I should do a mastermind. People are doing memberships, let me create a membership. And I would take a lot of action, but get nowhere. Many spiritually gifted people spread themselves too thin with multiple offers, multiple platforms, multiple directions. So their energy is scattered, which means that growth slows. So you want to pick one main platform where you share your gifts. As a New Earth celebrity, for me, that's YouTube. What I love about YouTube is that you get monetized. So you get money from the ads that run on your video from YouTube. And then also it has really long lifespan. Back in the days, it would be the same benefit with blogs. But nowadays, blogging is not really a great source of income because most people use ChatGPT or an AI to get answers instead. So if you want content with long lifespan, so it truly becomes passive income, then I recommend having YouTube as that source. Podcast is another good one, but you could just upload your YouTube video also to Spotify, for example, as a video podcast. So pick one, and then what I do is I pick out clips from my longer videos, put it in Vizard.ai, and it will spit out shorts from the long form. And that way you only need to create your long form videos. And then I use Repurpose.io, a platform to put your short onto one platform, for example, TikTok. And then with the software, also schedule it to Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, X, etc. And for more information on how to truly build your business as a New Earth celebrity, check out my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Let me know if you feel that calling, that you are a New Earth celebrity, or you will become one. I'd love to hear your story. And if you have a platform or a YouTube channel already, let us know below. Love you and see you in the next video.